My brother, my sister, they complain say life no dey easy, life no dey easy, life no dey easy for you. Me wey dey follow you talk, I no even know whether I go see tomorrow.
My fellow Biafrans, please help me and share this particular video. If you know that you are a supporter of Biafrans and you like wetin I dey do, you like my job in this social media space, just take home of your time and listen to this our brother who based in Nigeria soldier and see the kind complain wey they complain in this particular video. So as they watch this particular video now, do not forget to drop your thought under the comment section, because that's your thoughts mean well for everybody. So as they drop your thoughts, don't forget to share so that other Igbo youth can also be able to see this particular video. If they talk say make all these Igbo brothers wey dey for Nigeria soldier come out, they no wan hear until Boko Haram or ISWAP buy them. At that time then go hear. So as they watch this particular video, just advise this our brother under the comment section, and don't forget to tag all Igbo youth under the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.
My brother, my sister, they complain say life no dey easy, life no dey easy, life no dey easy for you. Me wey dey follow you talk, I no even know whether I go see tomorrow. I no even know whether I go see tomorrow. But na life wey I choose to live. Na life wey I choose to live. Anytime when it come, I go take and suffer.
Somebody said that Ndi Igbo Ndi Kano. Pụta na social media na-ekwu ya like nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Chukwuka Egwu. And maọbụ na somebody pụta na social media na-criticize Ndi Kano, maọbụ na somebody dey against Ndi Kano. And gị nwa bụ a follower of Ndi Kano wee sisi gbuo onye kwuru okwu a, maọbụ onye ọbụla na-criticize Ndi Kano, na enidere ibepụ onye afọ isi, na enidere end the life of the person. Afụgo m ebe some of them na-ekwu such okwu mana mana TikTok. Do you understand me? The reason I made this video because of this post and some things sinful under the comment section. To the extent that some of them say they are against Yambaba for hosting Ijele. Now, yes, you can draw again. Give one on the opinion of that. No one are criticizing Nnamdi Kanu need the legend. No one are now opposing Nnamdi Kanu need the Lokonya tendo among us. No one are not the system with Nnamdi Kanu Kebu. No one are any the Belonia ish. Now, second draw again. Kedi Fediche. Na again a follower of Muhammad and Allah. Kedi Fediche. Again a followers of Jesus. Because who do the money again abanya in a condemn in Islam? Na iron of people. Oge akubulu the baller. Some of them so well condemn me. Kedi Feji we go the baller because no criticize again Muhammad. Do you understand me? I don't know if you understand my point here. If Obona make it as a follower, he will plus the extremist, he will be radical of it. That you can buy somebody because of Nnamdi Kanu. Something is wrong with you. I'm telling you. If you make it to destiny, we're not in the point of that now. Whoever that question on Nnamdi Kanu, they need to leave Bonya. They not on that of opinion. Something is wrong with you, one more. Today, in our condemn Boko boys, jihadists and the Fulani, ISWAP, Mando Tuva, all this violence and the terrorist organization. Do you understand me? In our condemn the Christians, Gabo, only who against Jesus like this, or therefore confirm Bologna PC, which na at the time in memorial family to defend their religion, they buy people. That's why I'm telling you, all this Western religion ala abụbịara na Africa, their foundation of ọbara juru die lapụcha na Christian pụtazie kịta na mewezi ife tolerance at the beginning ndị asụrụ ndị mmadụ akwụ. Do you now understand me? But na na-ekwugoro maka issue of Nnamdi Kanu maka Chukwuka Egbu ka m ji ekwu okwu ahụ na ọ bụrụ that na ibukwala onye Igbo to the extent na onye ọ napụzuru Nnamdi Kanu na isi nweta onye a ka egbuo, then it means that he needed help. Ịnụdị ka ebuje gị ebe a na-agwọ ndị ara ka ikuru obere na oke ibe iche echiche ka mmadụ. Abụ m somebody bụ that na enwere m understanding that everybody and every individual is entitled to his or her opinion. That no man is an island and no brain is idle. Do you understand me? So I allow people to air their view, their own opinion. Do you understand me? Chukwuka, because in the Kuyakata post na forever na Igbo history post. You know, comment section ever a lot of our people na boy. They understand me. So open in on that of opinion, a man that na needed a rehabilitation on one name. Do you understand me? Now mother put us that no ya pa and the canon. Do you understand what I'm saying? Mother can say something to provoke you, and the bidding me is supposed to remain. And you know the reason why Onyaji Kukwa. Do you understand? Which I know that now is not within his power to buy in Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu federal government of Nigeria be AGN. Eventually tomorrow for grant a pardon or pota. Ijele metuno Nnamdi Kanu akana ijele nwere ike itunye isi ene or jele prison. Kedu ife na-agbakasịla alụ? Do you understand me? A grant ya Nnamdi Kanu freedom kita na ikpa ya a ga-ekpe gị ikpe na court. You nwere ike spend your entire life n'ime because of it, because ya charge gị bụ mother. Do you not understand me? So because of some provocative some provocative word ijele na ọta were abịa na adabanye n'ọnwụnwa. Do you understand me? Allow ijele ya na ekwu ya bụ opinion ya. And ma agba gị ife abụ for gị nke onye le gị aka because some of unu na-ekwu na comment section na ife na-ekwu na implicate a lot of you guys. I'm telling you, I'm ihe nji agwa gị ya ka ime tinye onwe gị na trouble.
Bagangbam, yesterday for Abia State, something happened wey still dey make me surprised till now because it's been long. I saw something like that. What happened? Yesterday, army people came out, navy come out, police come out, civil defense come out, Abia State internal security, everybody, paramilitary and military, they were all outside yesterday. The tension was like this. E rise well. What was happening yesterday, or what happened yesterday in Aba? People came out, even Omoyele Sowore and some other people flew in from different parts of the country to Aba to protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But this is the interesting part. It is now clear to the whole world, to everybody, say the only state wey still get a form of decency relatively to a reasonable extent, the state wey still dey work na Abia State, yes. Because if to say na another place, to say na even Abuja or Lagos, any other state you can think of, guess what would have happened? If to say na Ebonyi, to say na Enugu sef or Imo State, guess what would have happened? Dem don go pay people to come protest. Say the protest wey people dey protest, they no like am. You understand? They pay protesters to come protest against protesters. Before you go know, fight go start, different things. But see how organized it was yesterday. Even one tear gas, nobody shoot yesterday. Surprisingly, army people wey come, even come dey video people wey dey protest. For you to see the level of organization, and who are we giving this credit to? Now the governor of Abia State, Yes, now because the man gets sense. One, he's a reasonable person. Two, and secondly, he understands the truth. It's as simple as that. Kudos to the governor, Sir Alex Chioma Oti. God will bless you. At least you allow people carry out their civic obligation or rights without disrupting public peace, without vandalization of government property or looting of people's businesses or shops or houses or properties. This is what an Eldorado state should be, where people are allowed to express their grievances. It's very simple like that, and I want to add my own voice to it. Abeg make dem release Nnamdi Kanu. Make dem just try release am. That being said, without further ado, I'm done with this.